Hi, and welcome to Wild About Math with Kelly. This is 8G4, transformations, specifically dilations. So we're looking at dilations today. To solve, we need to set up a proportion, first of all. So you want to make the sides match. So this 9 matches this 4. I'm going to put the small number on top. That 9 matches that 4. So I'm going to say this is the width and this is the length. 15 is going to be the small. 15 is the small one. So 4 and 15. And X is the one we don't know. In order to solve a proportion, multiply diagonally, then divide by the number left over. So I'm going to multiply 9 times 9 times 15. That gives me 135. Then I'm going to divide by the number left over. Divide by 4. When I divide by 4, I get 33 and 75 hundredths. That means that is X, 33 and 75 hundredths. The angles, okay, this is number 1, this is number 2, number 3, and number 2 is down below. The angles of a triangle must equal 180 degrees, no matter what size or what kind of triangle you're dealing with. So subtract to find the angle that's missing. You can't see this very well. This is a 25. This is a 45. And this is the one they want you to find. So I know they must start with 180 minus, over here I'm going to do 45 plus 25 and see that that is 70. When I subtract 180 minus 70, I get 110 degrees for Y. Y would be 110 degrees. And you use the little circle to show degrees. Number 3. It wants to know, are these similar figures? Are these similar figures? In order to find out if they're similar figures, we'll use scale factor. Scale factor is matching the sides in the form of a fraction. In similar figures, all sides equal the scale factor. So let's just take the 4, it's smaller, I'm going to put it on top. And the 10, it's larger, I'm going to put it on the bottom. 4/10 is the scale factor. Then another way to write that, I can divide them both by 2 and get 2/5. That's in simplest form. I'm going to write here that that is my scale factor. So if all the angles match, I've got 135 here. I have 135 here. I have 2 90s on the right. I've got 2 90s on the right. And I have a 45 and a 45. All the angles match. So this appears to be a similar triangle, similar trapezoid, but we want to make sure that it's similar by checking our proportions. So I know the 4/10, the 4 and the 10, and this is a 4 and this is a 10. Their scale factor is 2/5. Let's check this one. It's 8 and 20. Is the scale factor 2/5? In order to check this, just multiply diagonally. Multiply diagonally. They both equal 40, so yes, the 8 and the 20 are still 2/5. We've got one more to check. I have a 6 and a 15. I'm going to set it equal to the scale factor. And then I'm going to multiply to check it. If it's similar, they both are equal to the same number. Here, they're both equal to 30. So yes, these are similar figures.